What's going on, guys? So today we got a 2020 Mustang GT in the shop, and a customer brought it by and he wants us to install a brand new Procharger Supercharger kit on. So today we're going to be doing that. Should be pretty fun. Stick around and enjoy the process.
Alright guys, so we're back inside the car. We got the stock information from the car and put it on a little micro SD, and then we plugged it into the computer and emailed it to Procharger, and they sent us back a custom tune for this specific car. So now we have plugged the micro SD back into the tuner, which is right here, and plugged in the OBD port down there, and now we're just letting the car sing the tune to the car's computer to tune it when we put the supercharger on.
Alright, so we've been working for a while. We got pretty much everything taken off. We started to go ahead and put the new crank pulley on for the supercharger, but we ran into some issues, and this is actually the wrong pulley from Procharger. We need a different one for the 2020 because it's very close to the sway bar right there, and we actually had to configure our own bolt so that it would bolt on properly. So we're trying to figure that out right now and get a new crank pulley, but I think we're probably going to go ahead and throw on the new intercooler. Alright guys, so we're back, and we got the new crank pulley in. Everything's fit all snug now. So we went ahead and threw it on. As you can see right here, we got all this clearance now. We can actually put the belt on, which is good. And everything's correct, tightened down. We got the belt back on, alternator hooked up. We got the coolant lines hooked up. So now what's next, Jordan?
We are about to put on the Procharger bracket and head unit.
There we go, let's get to it.
guys, just want to let y'all know that the Hot Rod brothers are doing well. Just want to let you know they do have adult supervision, but things are a little different now due to the coronavirus, okay? But they are doing well. I'm safe, staying our distance, continue on with the field.
Alright, so we finished up. We got everything mounted up right here. We got the intercooler right in the front. We got the supercharger over here in the corner, big old sucker. We got all the hoses and the tubing routed correctly. She's running like a pearl. What else we got going on, Jordan?
We got the cooling system and the reservoir right here, and the blow-off valve is right here. You can't see it because of the bumper, but it's there.
Got everything, all the lines and everything covered up with the nice plastic engine cover on top. And yeah, we got the tune put in earlier. That was one of the first things we did. So we went out, took it for a test drive. Everything's running great. So success.